speaks aloud, but everything is understood. The flowers bloom without a rule, and light shines where it chooses to. The stillness deepens in the air. What lies beneath we never know. Yet something asks us to be slow.